Today first concept to page object model framework. Page object model framework, POM. 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 POM means page object model framework. Page object model framework. What is page object model framework? Before going to page object model framework, first of all we should know one Java concept. That concept name is constructor. So this is the first concept we need to discuss in first Java class. We need to discuss this concept, but I left. Why? Because so if I teach in the first class itself, you will feel confused. That's the reason. So we leave this one constructor concept. Today we will discuss small concept only. Constructor is nothing but it is something. It is something. It is something which is used for constructing an object very easily. It is something which is used for constructing an object very easily. Okay. So first we will discuss syntax. What is the syntax? Concentrate, very easy. Modifier, class name, modifier, class name, data type, argument 1, arg1, argument 1, comma, data type, argument 2, arg2, arg2, right. Like we can write it, number of arguments. How many you want, that many arguments we can write it. Right. Here, property name equal to argument 1. arg1. Property name equal to argument 2. Property name 2 equal to argument 2. arg2. Like we can write it. So already we discussed one concept to static properties and non-static properties. Static properties we wrote number of hands, number of legs, number of legs. First class itself, number of legs. Number of legs. These are the static properties. Okay, leave it. Non-static properties we discussed. Only name and color. Only we discussed non-static properties. One is name. Second one is color. If you want to write number of, we can write it. For example, class of study. Different students, they will study the different classes. Class of study. INS game, interested game. Some people like cricket, some people collect volleyball, football, constructed, interested game. So here we have four properties. So if you want to declare single property, we will write, how we can write, public string name. We should write public string name, public string color, public string class of study, public string interested game. And if you want to call that function, once again we need to create the reference. Once again we need to create the reference. Why? Because all are non-static. All are non-static. So if you want to avoid this type of writing, so then we will use constructor. We will use constructor. Constructor. So here syntax. First one is modifier. What is the modifier? How many modifiers we have in Java? Four. Public, private, default, protected. Public, private, default, protected. So first modifier, public. Class name, boy, or any name. I'm taking boy. Class name, boy. Data type. First I want to write name, string. Data type, you can give any name. Name, n, comma. Next, color, string, C, color, comma. String, COS, class of study, comma. String, INS game, INS game. So like we can write it. Like we can write it. So here, so brackets. I forget. This is the main problem. If you want to write on board, so name equal to n. Name, sorry, color COLOUR. Color equal to C. INS game, interested game equal to interested game equal to INS game. So just only for these are only knowledge purpose we are writing, but only all the properties we are writing in only single line. This is the concept of constructor. Without this concept, every time we should write public boy string name, public boy string color, public boy string class of study, public boy string INS game we should write. So if you know constructor concept, only single line we can write it. That is the concept of constructor. Constructor is nothing but it is something which is used for constructing an object very easily. So syntax modifier class name data type space argument 1 space argument 1 comma data type argument 2 data type argument 3 data type argument 4 like we can write it. Property name equal to argument 1, property name equal to argument 1, property name n argument 1, property name 2 equal to color C, like we can write it. This is the constructor concept. Got it? Very simple concept. In the first class itself, if I teach this one, so you can feel confused. Okay, that is the reason we are discussing now. That is the constructor concept. Here we will use page object model framework. Very, very important framework. Nowadays, all the companies they are using this framework. That is page object model framework. It is very easy. Comparing with the TestNG also, it's very easy. Comparing with the TestNG also, it's very easy concept to page object model framework. Right.
Did you explain TestNG?
Yes, already over. Can I explain you once again?
Yeah, I think so. Because you explained JUnit.
TestNG only.
You said like first you explained JUnit. I can't remember about TestNG.
Oh, 1 second, we need to go to JUnit. Right. Okay, no problem.
You explained JUnit. I can clearly remember, but not the TestNG.
We see. We have proofs. We have proofs.
You explained it, then explain.
Why do we use invoke? Just we are invoking the Firefox driver. Something we can use anyone. Just I'm taking just. Okay, now you can get it. Once again, I will explain you another. Tell me any site.
Did you teach the test engine for me? No, right? You
No,
just explained
only
JUnit.
J in it only.
I know, yeah.
But both are same. Okay, both are same. But oh, it will take only 1 minute, madam. If you know J in it, already your script is there, I think. But is there or not, I don't know.
Mhm.
Maven.
Okay, is this Maven?
No, 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 no. That's the reason that day I don't remember. So we have in Maven in my system. So if it is TestNG is not working, so outside TestNG is not working. That's the reason we discuss only JUnit. But I have in Maven also.
You said you'll explain me about Maven as well. What is Maven? Why do we use Maven?
I will explain you, madam. Not now. At the end of the course. Maven is very very important. Oh, that is very big concept, madam. Mm, okay. Mm. Any site? Tell me any site. Totally, I'm teaching
EFL.
new one.
Go to JobServe. www.jobserve.com.
Take new class. Class name is Charita Test NG. Just concentrate, madam. JUnit and Test NG both are similar. J is no only in the place of before class we should write before. Just very very easy. First, declare globally. WebDriver globally. WebDriver WD globally. So this is the global declaration. Right, I am writing first class at the rate before class. So after writing the any annotation, we should write the function public void mm, public void invoke any name your choice, madam. That's meaningful name. WD equal to new Firefox driver. Right. After class close. After class close means WD dot close. So close. Then we need to write the program. WD dot WD dot close enough. Right. Next, before method at the rate before. If it is JUnit only before, if it is just ng, we should write before method public void login. So you should write the function. So wd dot get site name Japan. Just tell me site name. HTTP.
www.
HTTP.
Oh, HTTP.
Uh,
Okay, just do www.jobserve.com.
jobs.
SERVE.
Jobs after SERVE.
Uh, remove that S, one S,
Okay, that's the reason I'm asking.
.com.
Okay, right. It is working.
www. You have to put www.
No, wait. Oh, it is too slow. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have login ID? Do you have?
No. No.
If you want register job seeker, oh, it will ask you everything. Register, for example.
Create your profile.
Where is the option?
Fourth star.
It's not highlighting. Mm, mm, mm.
Register. Here it's asking first name, email. Yeah, I can see it. Simply there are only 5 fields available in it.
Job seekers,
Okay.
register.
Register. Click on it. You'll get on the left side actually. Is it still browsing? Yeah. Here, there you go. You need to just enter your first name, last name.
Okay. First, I need to. I will create the Akhil Reddy email. Password. Venkanna 143. Password is case sensitive and you must be at least 8 characters long. Oh, case sensitive.
Put caps V.
Uh, Password is case sensitive and must be at least 8 characters. He didn't mention, na?
Okay. Put caps V. Uppercase V.
Hmm.
Then type your password.
Venkanna 143.
Same enter. Caps V.
Hmm.
Type your password.
Oh God. So if you get this type of things, what is that? Cars, car,
Select all the message,
car,
all the images with car.
car.
Okay.
Verify, register. All right. Right. Enough. Sign out. Now sign in. Job seeker. Right. Sign in job seeker. 224. Click on 5. Right. Sign in. First we need to click on sign in. Right. Site name is right. Come. So directly we can give the site name up to here also. So if it is not working, we can give here. Otherwise leave it. Right. .com. wd dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving the XPath dot click. Right. Copy. Control V. Control V. Control V. Right. Dot send keys. All right. Log out. After method. At the rate. After method. Function. Public. Void. Log out. Control V. Font size is very big, right? Oh, 16. Okay. Apply. Okay. How many tests you want to take, madam? 3 enough? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right. I'm taking 3 tests. Test. Just. Right. 1 second, madam. Right. First of all, we need to take the script is ready. I'm taking 3 tests. Go to site. First of all, take the XPath of web element, Firefox, web developer, Firebug, activate. Just click on sign in, copy, control V. Just win. After site, it is taking time. So I'm writing first of all thread dot sleep. Right. Next, I want to give the username. Why it is showing error? Next, I want to take the username XPath. Copy. Control V. Copy. Control V. We need to click on sign in button. Copy. Control V. Akhil AKHILREDDYHYD. Right. Logout script. Just activate, click on logout, copy, Control V, logout, before method, after method. What's wrong here? Logout, login, close, invoke, no, logout number of times. Okay, names I will tell you. I will write it. Next, I want to click on power search. Next to jobs industry, jobs location. Three tests I am taking. Okay. First job search, power search, copy, Control V, PS, power search. Next, jobs by industry, copy, Control V, jobs by industry, jobs by location. Hmm? All right. Import the statements, right? Before class, what you test engine annotation, Firefox. After class, what you test engine annotation, before method, what you test engine annotation, red dot sleep part through declaration. After method, what you test engine annotation, test, what you test engine annotation, test, what you test engine annotation, test, what you test engine annotations. Save. Any wrong? Anything? Any mistakes?
No.
Right, save, click on run. This is test engine. JNE to test engine. There is no big difference. Just in the place of before, we should write before method. In the place of after method, we should write after. That is JNE. So here, alphabetical order it will execute. Oh, here one more line. Here we need one more line. I count it, but I did mistake. Log out. Just we need to click on job seekers. Control V. Save. Click on run. Proceed. Oh God.
What happened?
Right. Save. Click on run.
Why did you use that URL?
Actually, that page it is moving, not cookies is coming.
Can we use URL as well?
Yes, directly we can take it. Already before class only, already I told you. But sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. See, job seekers, that window will come. Window need to come. So here once again we need to click on allow cookies. Okay. After that window will come. Right. One more line we need to write here. That's the reason. Every time it will come or not, we don't know. Mm, not responding. Site is not good. Here we have number of defects in this application. No, like, but it will work, no problem. But it is playing. Direct window it is coming, but if it is directly if you give it is not coming. Jobserver.com. One second. Directly it is coming. Observe, madam. Job seekers.
Hmm.
It is coming direct window. Sometimes it is not coming. So that is the main reason. So I give 4E53F. 4353F. Right. Once again. Try it. This also I'm closing totally. No, job seeker. Mm, just every time it is coming or not, we don't know. Save. Click on run. Now cookies is coming top of the page. Okay. If you
Mm.
skip, then it will work. No. Okay. Only that clicking line manually we can do, madam. That is clicking we can do manually. So save. Click on run. It is not working, madam. Site. This is a site problem. Only site. Whenever you are doing manually, here is the cookies. Sometimes here coming. Sometimes it is not coming. Sometimes at the top of the page coming. So that is the concept of test engine framework. Any doubts, madam? Indlo? Just you can take any site, not only this site. This is the site problem. I tried with a number of options. Okay, this is test engine framework. So very small is
Okay.
test engine is very small. So each and every annotation after we should write lakhs of lines we should write lakhs of lines. Okay, each and every test under we need to write lakhs of lines, lakhs of lines. So this is the framework concept test engine. Once practice it, madam.
Okay, but how do we solve this issue then?
So this is the application problem. We can't do anything. So manually only do. Here, sometimes see, observe carefully. Sometimes, for example, here job seeker, this window will come in. Okay. If I do, if I take the XPath and if I try it, so this window is coming top of the page. So where it is coming or not, we don't know. If it is coming, same place it is coming or top of the page it is coming. We can't say. So, and in this application we have more defects, not only single number of defects. Sometimes if you click on this one, this is not responding. So that is not correct way. And whenever you are giving the path up to here, compulsory that application need to work. So here, if you give the path, so compulsory need to open the page. See, copy, close the entire browser. So if you try it, need to open. Manually it is opening. So if I give directly, it is opening. But through if it is Selenium WebDriver, it is not opening. See, once again, proof. Save. Click on run. These are the main problems, madam. This XPath, anyone can write the XPath, and whenever you are working with this type of application, it is very dangerous, time waste application. See, up to search it is coming, up to search it is entering only up to search it is entering. So after search, we have here is there is no search. This type of in nodes I gave you nearly 15 to 16 sites I gave you, madam. So you can work with any site. So this is the site problems. So yesterday you gave one site, so it is working, but here is it is not working. So this is the problem. This is the defects, madam. This is the defects. whenever you are working with application, go, this is the defects. How many defects we can find out? So number of defects in this application. Sometimes it is responding, sometimes it is not responding. After opening the page cookie, that window, sometimes it is coming, sometimes it is not coming, sometimes it is coming top of the page. So how can you handle? So it is coming, if it is coming, if you write the script, so Selenium will confuse you. Okay, if you are not writing the script, if it is cookie is coming, then once again we need to write the one line statement. So that is very difficult. This is the application problem, madam. So that is the concept, madam. Test engine framework concept, madam. దీన్ని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎట్లయినా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి మేడం.
Okay.
ఏదన్నా ఒక అప్లికేషన్ తీసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మీకు రేపు పేజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, టుమారో ఐ విల్ టీచ్ యూ పేజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మోడల్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అండ్ మావెన్. జస్ట్ వీ కెన్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు మావెన్ ఆల్సో.